Good morning, students. Today we will start our practical session of the subject Object-Oriented Programming. This is a lab manual for the subject Object-Oriented Programming. There are total 19 experiments in object-oriented programming. Then here are some guidelines for you. Read that guidelines. This is the content page. You have total 19 experiments that you want to perform. Okay. In today's practical, we will start our first practical, that is develop minimum 2 programs using constants, variables, arithmetic expressions, operators, exhibiting data type conversion. This is your first practical. In this practical, you want to do some basic programs on object-oriented programming. This is a practical significance. The practical significance tells that the declaration of constants and variable facilitates the evaluation of the arithmetic expressions in real life problem. And the second one is the data type conversion helps in real time problems to get the accurate results of evaluation of arithmetic expression. What is the purpose of these experiments? This tells in a practical significance. Then here are some program outcomes. First program outcome is the basic knowledge, second discipline knowledge, next experiment and practices, next engineering tools, and last one is the communications. These practical outcomes you will get after performing this experiment. Then here are competency and practical skills that are needed to implement these practicals. This practical is expected to develop the following skills in you. First, define and declare the constants and variables, use the data type conversion, compile the program, debug and execute the program. At the time of the lecture, we will discuss about these terms such as constants, variables, arithmetic expressions, operators, etc. And the same as the C program, whenever you are doing any C program, that is same way the C++ follows the execution for that particular program. That means for implementing C++ practical, you need the Turbo C software. In that Turbo C software, same as the whenever you are executing a C program, like a way you want to execute or the debug the C++ program also. Then relevant course outcome after executing this practical or after performing this practical, what is the course outcome you get? Develop C++ programs to solve problems using procedure oriented approach. Then practical outcome here is given. Then relevant affective domain relative course outcomes are given here. Then for this practical you need some knowledge about that particular terms. That terms is given in this point, minimum theoretical background. That means in a minimum theoretical background point, the theoretical knowledge about the concepts is given here. See, first C++ basic input output. What is an C++ and what is the statements present in a input output is given here. C++ IO operations is using stream concept. That's why we are using a IO stream package in our program. Stream is a sequence of bytes or flow of the data. We know the stream is nothing but sequence of data or sequence of bytes. It makes the performance fast if bytes flow from main memory to device like printer, it display screen or network connection, etc. This is called output operation. And if bytes flow from device like printer to display screen or a network connection, etc. to main memory, this is called as input operations. While executing any program and while creating any C++ program, you want to execute the input operation as well as output operation. In input operation, you are providing a data as in a input from, and in a output operation you will get the result of that particular input data. For input and output, these header files are required: iostream.h, iomanip.h and fstream.h. The description of each header file is given here. Then here is an input and output statement is given here. In C++, for output purpose we are using a OStream class. By OStream class defines a different functions: standard output stream, that means cout. By using cout, by using a insertion operator, we are displaying a output data to a console window. And by using a cin statement, by using a extraction operator, we are reading a input from the console. In short, cout statement is used to display the data and cin statement is used to take the input, the data. And for the cout we are using a insertion operator, and for cin we are using a extraction operator. Next, standard end line function, that is endl function, is used to insert a new line characters in our program. The next, constant term is defined here. We know the meaning of constant. In a lecture we have studied the term constant. Constant means what? A variable which does not change its value during the execution of program. It is called as constant variable. Here one constant is defined. We know for calculating a area of circle we need a pi variable, and at that program we are declaring a pi as a constant. How to define a constant? By using const keyword. Const float pi, that means pi is an constant which having a value 3.1415. This is an term constant. Then there are different types of constant. Here literal constant is shown. Literal constant is classified among integer, floating time, characters, string, boolean, printers and user defined literals. And other literals are given here. Then the data types used in a C++ program is given here. Integer, such as integer which having a total size of bytes 2 bytes. Then long integer, float, double, long double, character. These are the data types used in a C++ program. Then we know how to define a variables. Variables are defined by using a data type. For declaring a variable, first we want to specify the data type of that particular variable. After that we want to specify a variable name. For example, here 3 variables are declared. First variable total is declared of data type float, that means total is an variable of type float. Then next there are 2 variables are declared, x and y, of type integer data type. And here at the time of declaration we are also initialize a value to the variable. How to define that? Integer a is equals to 20, that means 20 value is assigned to a variable a. Then we were seeing the conversion. There are 2 types of conversion taking place in a C++: implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Here implicit conversion is shown, and here by using a data type we are also do the explicit conversion of the data type. Okay. Next, here you want to specify the specification of your system, that means which type of system you are using, which is the software you are using. Here software is Turbo C++, and if you are using any extra resource for doing this practical, then at that time you put the specification here. Then here are some practical related questions. First, constant variables can be created in C++ by using, here are some options given here. Choose the appropriate option and put here option. Okay, then next you want to execute this defined code and you want to provide the output here. Okay, next here are again 2 questions are there. Solve these questions. Then now in exercise you want to do the practical. Okay, you want to do the program. Okay, first program is write a C++ program to evaluate the following expression. Okay, here are 2 mathematical expressions are given, and these expressions you want to solve in a C++ program. You want to set the formula in program to evaluate this mathematical expression. And next program is write a C++ program to demonstrate the use of operator precedence. Here you want to do any sample program, that program which demonstrates the use of operator precedence, and here you want to give the output of a program. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to take a one notebook for practical session. Okay, in that notebook you want to solve all the questions in a experiment. Okay, and while you get the manuals, at that time you want to paste that pages to the manual. Okay, so no double work is done here. Okay, so that's why I will show the execution of these 2 statements, and then after that you want to solve all the questions in your notebook. Okay, now I will show the execution of these programs.